Hey, it's Josh Betzel. Thanks for clicking on this video. And tell Evelyn I said thank you for talking on the phone with me earlier today. So I'm just going to be briefly showing you 3 things I found on your website that you can fix pretty easily to start bringing in a ton more customers. And I know you're probably wondering, Josh, why are you making this video for me? Well, I know most of the time most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to getting help from someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So what I actually started doing was giving away these attack plans for free. Some people call me back, some people don't. It doesn't really matter to me. I'm just trying to educate as many business owners as I can. The main 3 things that we're going to be going over today is content, backlinks, and citations. And before I get into that, I just want to compliment you on your site. I really like the vibe of it. I like the South Carolina state up there. It's got some good, high quality pictures in there. And I know they have a little pop up down here, which is good too. But most importantly, I like that your tabs are a little bit more organized up here. That's very, very good. So yeah, looks like a good website. But here's some things I noticed on it. You need more content on it. So I'm going to bring up your competition. So Carolina Fence Company, they're your competition because when you type in Fence Company Charleston, South Carolina, they're the first people that pop up organically. And they also pop up in the map pack. So they got the double win there. They're doing something right. When I plugged your website amount of words into this word counter, you came up to 271. Your competition came up to 217. So what there's differing though is that they're adding a lot of keywords implemented to their website. All right. And that's the reason the content is so important. So you need at least 1,500 words on your homepage. And this is the reason why. Google sends out robots. These robots, they go and crawl through the content looking for keywords. The more content you have on your page, the more they crawl. So what is a keyword I'm talking about? A keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. So I'll go back up here. So let's do Fence Company Charleston, Fence Installation Charleston, Wood Fence Charleston, Charleston Fence Company, Charleston Fence Installation, etc. So anything like that tailored to your service area and or niche is considered a keyword. All right. Another trick I like to do is actually with the pictures, you can hide keywords into there when you do the save as and Google accounts of Charleston fencing and outdoor improvements. So if you wanted Google to tell you where people needed to go, you should save this picture under Charleston Fence Company or Fence Company Charleston, Charleston Fence Installation, etc. Something like that. Okay. The second thing I want to talk about is backlinks. So what is a backlink? A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. These links, they act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins for the people pointing at them wins the #1 spot. However, it's extremely important to realize that not all links are created equal. It's worth noting relevancy to your industry and local websites will actually work best for that. But anyways, getting into backlinks, this is my Ahrefs and or Ahrefs account, however you want to pronounce it. I will say this is a paid tool, but you can find free tools like SEO Quake, SEMrush, etc. A couple of those other free tools if you want to do this on your own. So you came up with 13 referring domains and 30 backlinks. Your competition up here, when I go back to their overview, Carolina Fence Company, they have 69 referring domains and 350 backlinks. And look at this traffic, organic traffic, 464. All right. So you need more relevant backlinks pointing to you guys to show Google that you are the authority. And the best example I can give for a backlink is kind of like, let's use magazine. So would you rather be on the cover of Best Fence USA or would you rather be on the cover of Best Pizza USA? Both are high quality magazines, but you have nothing to do with pizzas. All right. Even though you might love pizzas, you have absolutely nothing to do with them. It's not going to make you money. Right? So relevancy is important. The third thing I want to talk about was citations. And citations is actually how you get ranked as a map pack here. Citation is anything what I like to call a NAP, name, address, or phone number. What's important to realize about the NAP is that they have to be exactly as per your Google business profile. All right. So anywhere you're putting your name, address, or phone number in is included as a citation. Citations include directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Triple B, hundreds of others you may have heard of. Social media accounts are great too. The idea behind citations is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is for you to rank above them. And I believe I found you on the first page of the map pack. Yeah, first page of the map pack, which isn't bad, not bad at all. But we don't want you just on the first page. We want you in the top 3. So when people are searching for Fence Company Charleston, South Carolina, your company is already on their mind here and here. All right. So just to recap this video, I want to go back over the 3 things. And the first thing was content. So add more content to your website, implement a lot of those keywords. And just as an example, I'm going to go over to your competition's organic keywords just to show you. Perfect. Fence Company, Charleston, South Carolina, 150 searches. Charleston Fence, 300 searches. Charleston Fence Company, 150. Fence Installation, Charleston, South Carolina, 200 searches. So these are all searches per month, and this KD over here stands for keyword difficulty. All right. So I'm just going to go back over to that 464 number, organic traffic. So once you get your content and once you get your backlinks laid out for your website and you're starting to expect this 460 organic traffic, let's say you just closed lowball at 10%, just 10%. So 10% of 464 extra per month. That's some pretty big money for what you charge for fences. All right, so that's just a little perspective for you. Second thing was backlinks. So add more backlinks and add high DR and high relevancy backlinks in there to show Google that you are the authority and you deserve that #1 spot. All right, the third thing was citations. So add about 200 citations to 300 citations in this map pack and you are going to be absolutely unbeatable. All right. So I really hope this video helps, and this is literally what I do for a living. So if you're wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information, or we can talk about your goals and I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. All I ask is that you just leave me a review on this video. Let me know how I did. Again, my name is Josh. My number is 904-383-8479. Feel free to reach out as my door is always open. And thanks so much for watching. I hope this really helps. Have a great day. Actually, before I end this video, I really want to go over to my Facebook because I remember Evelyn stating that you guys are actually really busy, but you're really needing some help. So I'm just going to go to my Facebook page, for example. If you click over here, click on job, for job details. If you really want some help getting this Facebook ad out, I can really help you out with that to get more high trusted, high quality employers to your business to try to help out. Another thing I'll do is I have just a little simple Indeed template I'll send over, and that'll help you out if you want to go the Indeed route as well for getting some more employers. All right, so now I'll end the video. I hope you have a great day.